What up, everybody?
Are we crooked?
Are we crooked? Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fa Rekin Licious Thanksgiving week. Happy Halloween with me. Hey, I have my nephews, my best friends, Tiffany. It's breakfast time. Today we're going to be making a healthy holiday cookie, but they're not going to taste any less DeFaRekinLicious. This cauliflower mash is absolutely incredible. So again, today we're making the paleo pancake kombucha. See all this gorgeous freaking artwork? Hello! This is the ground cumin. Can you peel the banana? 3/4 cup of coconut. You don't want the eggs.
1 green, 2 orange.
2 orange. Take 1 whole yellow onion and you want to slice it. And you can use any fruit. You can use strawberries, blueberries.
Do you put whiskey in it?
Use a steamer basket. We're going to squish it down in there. And then you just take a whisk. Everyone knows that I like Greek yogurt because it's going to be healthier. I do that instead of mayonnaise.
It's also a great detox.
And paleo is a very healthy way of eating.
Gorgeous and colorful, just like all your meals should be.
See the gravy? Hold on, let's get some more cumin in here. Because again, the more flavor, the better. Isn't this fun?
Yeah.
Yeah! This looks DeFaRekinLicious. And they're going to be in Fa Rekin incredible. Woo! I love it. I love people who like to dance. Get it, get it, get it, get it.
The music really makes it.
Yeah. Woo!
It needs cumin. It
needs
needs like that.
Let me.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. This is the chocolate orange. That's the lemon. OMG!
That is DeFaRekinLicious.
Perfect.
It's perfect.
Hold on. Will, taste it, bro. I'm gonna kill my brother. Kill my K-E-E-L, my brother.
Oh, Stephanie, this is DeFaRekinLicious.
DeFaRekinLicious.
Wow.
Oh my God, it's Cheers.
Oh yeah.
Have you seen me in my other videos?
Yes.
Oh, cool. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everybody.
Bye.